So without any PR announcement or whatever you want to call it, we have the physical announcement that Joe Shimoda is at round one press day for SMX and he will be racing. That's after the broken clavicle, subsequent surgery, and the plate. He did say, quote, "My scar isn't completely healed. My goal is to get out front and try not to get roasted." It's a pretty good, that's a solid plan when you consider it. He did say he's had 1 day on a 450 and 2 days on 250s training since his crash, which was what, 2 weeks ago. So not a lot of time on the bike, but probably not a horrible thing to take a few days off and heal and get some rest. But it's a good plan. Get out front, don't get roosted. I mean, that's probably what most people want to do. Get into first and never leave first. But it's going to be a thing of, is he really going to be super competitive? I'm gonna say probably not. Comment down below if you think I'm wrong, but he hasn't really been super competitive this year. Um, I don't think the switch to the Honda was as smooth as most people probably would have wanted, and he never really, I don't know. When you look at Hymus, his teammate, who was what, fourth winning races, he ended up. I mean, Joe ended up sixth, but still, never really. It was at most a quietly okay year. It's just going to be a question of how well does that collarbone react? How well does it, is it healed? I mean, it's only been a couple weeks, but with a plate in it, it should be pretty well solid. It's just going to be how much strength he has in that arm, how much endurance he has, and two, how much pain he's willing to take. Because after the first race, you might be able to get through on adrenaline, but by the second one, well, actually, no, they don't do a second race. Whatever. By heat and then race, it's just going to be a question on how much that arm can take. I don't see him doing poorly. Top 10 probably would be a pretty good result for him. I don't see him challenging for podium or win. Maybe top five at absolute best, but I don't know. That's why I'm leaving it for you guys. Comment down below. Are you going to it? You're watching it? How do you think he's going to do? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I will see y'all later. Peace.